And welcome to a special edition of Denryu Writer Streams. We have to survive the next hour or so trying to fend off random rooms. We are starting off with completely random games from the Flashpoint preservation project that I have not seen prior to this stream. They have been drawn completely at random, and now I have to basically play them all. Italia Hanto ni Modotta Jita to Antonius. Okay, what is this? SPQR. I don't know what this game is. Oh, it's all of it is in Japanese. Okay. Hello, Goro. Welcome to the stream. You see the big honking countdown in the center left of the screen? That's how much time we need to be surviving the random rooms of Flashpoint. This is totally bonked right now, so let's try and do that again. Wow, we are automatically hit with... You know what? That's fine. This is the stream where everything goes wrong anyway. Alright, cool. Now that works. Oh, Sorambushi. We're doing this now. Hello! Everything just crashed! Welcome, Yvonne B. Okay. I don't... I should really learn how to dance the Sorambushi properly. Even though I actually... You can't see me. Hello, Yvonne B. Have some donuts. You just ordered some donuts. Yeah. This is a cafe, although, to be fair, everything is like red and beeping and alarm. And like, alarm bells are like ringing everywhere. We're currently stuck in another dimension, and we still have to like wait 48 minutes until we can get back. So let's go ahead and wait. What should we be doing here? Korewa, okay. So this looks like a piece of wood. There's a button. It's a number puzzle. Wait, hold on. Oh! Oh! The logs are arranged in such a really weird conspicuous pattern, isn't there? 3, 1, 4. Higatsuita. Okay, so it caught on fire. Why does a wooden sign have numbers in it and a button that causes it to be set on fire? Here come the Roman soldiers that are following us. I can't walk. Oh, you've been shot by an arrow. I see. But it's a poison arrow. Oh no. This is a sad story. No, you can't give up, Antonius. But up ahead is the Alps and we have to cross the Alps. What the heck? Oh my god, this gameplay. I have to follow with the mouse cursor. Such dramatic story. Such good art. No. What the heck? What is that trajectory though? Are the rocks always falling this direction? Oh my god, they do. What the heck is that? Amazing. That second rock violates the laws of physics. What the heck is that? Oh, so Shady Dude is offering us happy medicine. Oh. What? And then we just meet freaking Cleopatra in the middle of the Alps. Yama no kami-sama ga hotel. Oh, well, okay, so I guess there's like thunder. Oh, it's one of the more of these. Okay. Oh my god. Well, I figured how to go faster, but oh my god, where does the lightning strike? The lightning sound effects are alternately really bad and really good. This artwork. It's like dodging an obstacle course. Oh wait, wow, that hitbox though. Not gonna lie, I was not expecting to be able to play a game like this for today. So first the stream breaks, And now we have to play a game about this extremely life or death situation, over dramatized by falling rocks and falling thunder. The power of Flash animation! Brutus. What? Why did you kill Caesar? Why did Brutus kill Caesar? I don't know.
We should totally just stab Caesar!
Oh, so like Cleopatra and Caesar are ghosts. So they're already dead. Poor kid is like getting tired and sick after having to literally pull this dude through the mountains in a snowstorm. Oh, it's apparently so high that like she's getting like hypoxia or something.
Hypoxia. A condition in which tissues are deprived of an adequate supply of oxygen.
Yamano Noroida, it's the curse of the mountains. It's a curse. I'm just rolling with everything this game is trying to throw at me at this point. I can only make it up to here. I can't move. Please, leave me leave me be here. You can save yourself. There's no saving me anymore. Please just go. See, oh. Huh? Oh. Jito ayatsute dobutsu tsukamerai. Okay, so I have to catch wild animals. Should I need like do I need to catch the?
I suppose you've noticed I'm not terribly fond of wolves.
Yeah. Oh wow. It's not dead yet, but say, Antonius, give me your sword. I know it's a like how I saw the. Oh my god, they're gonna kill this wolf. It's not even a wolf; it's a wolf pup. Oh my god, this is such a grim story. like I know that this is the artwork doesn't really like convey it all that much, but I think it like really like sets it. And for some reason, I'm thinking of this like one BMS song. It's a really intense hardstyle song, but the music video is an extremely crudely drawn retelling of Red Riding Hood. That is also somehow a anti-smoking PSA. Oh, it's a village. Oh, we've actually crossed the Alps. To be continued. What did you think of that? What did you think about that? This is a moment. This